So today, let's open the box. SkullPanda, tell me what you want. Did you know that it's a Christmas themed collection where SkullPanda takes on the theme of granting wishes on a snowy wonderland? Shall we open some boxes? Oh my god! I got Jingle All the Way Red! It's the secret! This one has a 1 in 27 chance. I wonder if I can get the second secret. Let's continue open boxes, shall we? The second piece that I got is called Let It Snow. And what I like about this design is that the scarf is blue and it has like a furry texture, as well as the base. The base is made of like a furry blue texture as well. Then the rest is made of a white plastic, and overall, the design is like brilliant. I wonder what I'm gonna get for my third one. Let me stop you right there. I want to tell you a very funny story about baking best wishes. I'm going to open one of my cupboards and let's see what I have here. Look! It's baking best wishes, but it's a pillowcase! Oh my god! Can you see it? I bet you that surprised you, right? That was a nice break. Now I start to feel sleepy. Let's open the rest of the boxes. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the Tell Me What You Want series. If you got this far, leave a comment and tell me which is your favorite series.